now I create a job system to increase performance. So here is a delegate lambda function that I created, and it's an async function, and it's a job that runs on a schedule. So I just name it cron job or whatever. And we're gonna run this. Obviously it's now a native script thing, so it doesn't contain a definition. Oh, I did not save this. I gotta save it. Anyways, this is a large project, so this job system that I made, which I had to make because the Unity job system, it really doesn't work, in a sense that if like you can't access the mono behavior content through the job system, because the job system is like a struct and stuff like that. So it was very limiting. And for 2D development, there are like all the videos on YouTube for the C# job system made by Unity. It's pretty much for 2D design and stuff like that. And the job system itself is still in development mode, so it's still in early access or whatever you call it. And I don't really, it wasn't really helping my project, and I really needed something to speed up performance, so I created a job system which is probably faster than a C# system, but let's see. Yeah, I think it is, because like updates, right? As you can see here, if I'm looking in the direction of that building, like over there, that's where the structures are, and that's where the graphics is intense. But if I'm not looking there, if I'm looking like where the various like other things are, graphics is it's kind of okay. And we are that's a cathedral all the way over there. So pretty much with Unity, you want to manage the rendering of the camera and stuff like that. But pretty much here's the job system in functioning pretty much. So if I get a key down, as in the script here, it actually, like if I do this, it just creates a new job, and the job got an event name and whatnot. It's a JSON object that I created, and it just runs. So pretty much now, right, all I have to do is just follow this system, create a job, and then call it to run by this name, right? And with that, I can also execute some other stuff if I want in here and stuff like that. So yeah, this here is going to help me split my code, because I tried code splitting earlier. It was just a mess. I tried using a extension method, but it was very limiting in a sense. That this is an IO project, right? It's not like everything is like client side, like everything is like within the script itself. Like stuff have to be abstracted when it comes from online and stuff like that. So yeah, so I had to make a solution. Anyways, this are also one thing. Unity, this what you see here is not really like the actual performance. If you really want the performance of the of what you have to actually build it. When you build it, then you're gonna see the performance. So we're gonna build here. It's gonna complain about like the class not being native because I kind of like modify Unity from the outside, and it's not natural. But I can just clear this. It's not any big deal. I'm using strut, and I'm using anonymous function or whatever, lambda and stuff like that. And I never really like saw the use in lambda until I really like thought about like how I could use it to like simplify my code. And the implementation is complex because you have to create a delegate, you have to pass it in, you gotta do this, do that. It's too much. Anyways, we're gonna run this. And yeah, with this here, I can now move like majority of the functions into their own jobs, and that way Unity itself doesn't have to do the work, and everything will be ran outside of Unity, which will speed up performance because mono behavior kind of ruins everything because they have like the updates and stuff like that it spams, and that's not good. Obviously this is gonna take some manpower, like time and stuff, to like move everything, but yeah, this is the script. The build is complete. We're gonna move this here so that you guys aren't seeing like the errors and stuff. But yeah, 56 and stuff like that, and it goes up. It's going up. I just let it sit. I think we'll go to 59 if we let it sit. 58, 60 FPS is the frame, it's the refresh rate for the screen, and there's like 94 build running. This just the scene I just took, remove it from the launcher and stuff, and I just ran it. So obviously I think there's the fog, but nothing else pretty much. Anyways, there you go. There's the 59. Obviously it really won't go to like 60 frame or whatever, but it looks like it's still climbing up, and I'm not looking in the direction that requires the camera to render too many stuff. In a sense that it's an example that shows if we actually implement occlusion properly, like how the frame will be. And like if you were in like a place with like that require a lot of graphics, like rendering the houses and stuff like that, this thing is still going up. I don't think you're gonna hit 60, but we'll let it sit and see. It's still going up. Yeah, it's gonna go slowly. I'm not editing this video, so it's just gonna be like this. This is like a code review or something. It's been a while since I released videos like this. But yeah, performance is going up. Imagine like all the buildings were like disabled if you were like out, like in the middle of the mountains area, or like if you were around here, and maybe the creatures and stuff like that, like rendering that texture. I don't think the texture is gonna be that much. That they are all low poly and like simple graphics. So it's going up slowly, like 1 points like every millisecond or something. It's just counting up. We at 600, almost 700 now. It might hit 60, guys. We're gonna wait for a long time. Anyways, guys, what's up with the tech industry, guys? Like, there's no tech opportunities. It's crazy. Anyways, this thing is on 700 now, still going up slowly but surely. Oh man, it's taking forever, but it looks like the graphic is gonna go up, and it just continues to go up. I just repeat, like I keep repeating, like going up, going up. So I guess I should stop here. It looks like the thing is just going up, and it won't go back down unless we like maybe give this a look. Look over here. Yeah, it just dropped down. It just dropped down again. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. When you're looking at those big structures over there, yeah, it's to like render them and stuff, and that's when like the graphics kind of like freaks out. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Building solutions like these to like make sure that gameplay matters. It's very important, and so that we those who are interested in like if you play Cube World, you play Minecraft, you've played Hordes.io, a little box game or whatever, like all of those things were very simple applications, right? So the most important thing is you are in a community and you are having fun and you are leveling up, getting your skills, using your abilities, having fun. That's what matters. I don't think making this look like Unreal Engine 5 pre-render shader quality, like high definition, this that is gonna make any difference. I think when it comes to it, like good gameplay. If you look at RuneScape and whatnot, like all of those are like all about good gameplay. So it was very important to me to like build this system here. Obviously, I'm using threading. It's a multi-threaded code, and it all works. I'm not gonna show you guys my code because, yeah. Um, if you want me to do this type of stuff for you, and you are a recruiter or whatever, you know where to find me. I'm on LinkedIn, and my name is Eddie Tia. All right. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.